Y Media breaking news.
Avian flu, also known as H5N1, has been confirmed in Mississauga. The avian flu affects all types of birds like ducks, swans, and geese. The virus is transmitted from bird to bird. The risk of transmission to humans is low. However, the officials have added that people should still be cautious and avoid going near or handling wild birds or other wildlife. In the recent weeks, several GTA municipalities have said that there have been confirmed bird flu cases.
Y Media breaking news.